In this lesson, you learn how to program a progress bar with shapes that become filled with color as you advance the slides. You use loops to save time and reduce the potential for errors while coding. To create the progress bar, you programmed and ran functions and variables, fixed errors in the code, search for coding properties, and program shapes, colors, and a loop. The digital skills you learn can be applied to many interesting and fun projects. You can program your own animation, games, or interactive stories, create Google Slides presentations about your favorite books or movies, or use code to add new features to other applications, such as Google Docs and Google Sheets. Have fun discovering different ways to use your new programming knowledge.